People usually think that making a plant-based cake, so without butter, without eggs, without milk, is nearly impossible, but actually it's much easier than you might imagine. You only need a few ingredients, and I'm sure that you probably have them at home, most of them. And you need to know just a few tricks, and we can create the perfect vegan cake. Usually when you make a cake with a fruit, is added in the butter or placed on top. This time we're gonna put at the bottom, and we're gonna flip it upside down once it's baked. That way the fruit's caramelized and creates something truly amazing. You can use any fruit you like. I use peaches. Cut them in half, then twist one half clockwise and the other half counterclockwise. This way you can easily remove the pit. Now slice the peaches into half moons, or mezzalune, as we say in Italian. Set them aside. First thing that you have to be careful, so first turn on the oven, and then we make the butter afterwards because we have to put the cake in the oven without resting. As a first step, I spread sugar evenly over the bottom of the cake pan. Then I place the peaches on top. You can do more layers of peaches and you can add more sugar on top. Then set it aside. Second tip for the perfect cake, we're gonna use this. This is your best friend. We need to sift the dry ingredients to make the cake lighter and fluffier. So start by sifting the flour, then the cornstarch, and finally the baking powder. Once that's done, you can add the sugar and some lemon zest. Totally optional, but highly recommended to give the cake a fresh flavor and amazing aroma. Lastly, add the sunflower oil and the water. That's it, super simple. Give it a good mix and don't worry if you have a few lumps remain. Once it's baked, they'll disappear. This is the consistency, and make sure you don't mix it too much. See these bubbles? That means the yeast is already active, and that's exactly why you shouldn't wait. Bake it right away. You might have to cook it for 15 minutes up to an hour and check if it's ready with a toothpick. If it's dry, it's ready. Now we'll flip it upside down. Buonissimo, ciao ciao!